Hi everyone, I am Sarah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna show you the hotel tour of Hari Prem, which is in Nathdwara. So why Nathdwara is famous? Nathdwara is famous for Srinathji. So whenever you are in Nathdwara, you can stay in this hotel. So here we booked 2 rooms and I'm gonna show you both the rooms in this video. And the price we paid for both the rooms is 2200. And one more thing I want to say, here is food restaurant is also available, so you need not to go outside for having food. And if you are new here, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already a subscriber, then thanks for subscribing to my channel. Bye bye, take care.